Bringing a dog into your life is incredibly rewarding. From the moment they step into your home, they become a part of your family, filling your days with love and laughter. Their love and playful antics bring joy to our days. Watching them chase after a ball or play with their favorite toy can be the highlight of our day. But responsible dog ownership goes beyond food, shelter, and cuddles. It's about understanding their needs and ensuring they are met in every aspect of their lives. It's about equipping our furry companions with the skills they need to navigate the world confidently. Training and socialization are key components in helping them become well-adjusted members of society. Imagine this. You're strolling through the park with your beloved dog by your side. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. It's a perfect day for a walk. Other dogs approach, children want to say hello, and cyclists whiz past. These are common occurrences in a park, and how your dog reacts to them is crucial. Does your dog greet these encounters with a wagging tail and relaxed demeanor, or do they cower in fear or react aggressively? Their reactions can tell you a lot about their socialization. The answer lies in socialization. Exposing your dog to a variety of experiences, people, and other animals from a young age can help them develop into confident and friendly adults. A well-socialized dog is a joy to be around, both for their owners and for everyone they encounter. They are more adaptable, less stressed, and generally happier. Socialization is an investment in your dog's happiness and well-being, setting them up for a lifetime of positive interactions. It's about giving them the tools they need to thrive in our world, ensuring they lead a fulfilling and joyful life. Let's demystify dog socialization. It's a crucial aspect of raising a well-rounded and confident canine companion. It's about introducing your dog to a range of sights, sounds, smells, people, and other dogs in a positive manner. This exposure helps them become more adaptable and less fearful of new experiences. Think of it as broadening their horizons and helping them understand that the world is a safe and exciting place. When dogs are exposed to different environments, they learn to navigate them with confidence and curiosity. The goal is not to create a social butterfly, but to teach your dog to remain calm and accepting in different situations. This means they can handle the hustle and bustle of daily life without becoming anxious or stressed. Proper socialization during puppyhood is crucial, but it's never too late to socialize a dog. Early socialization sets the foundation for a well-adjusted adult dog, but older dogs can also learn and adapt with patience and consistency. Adult dogs may require a more gradual approach, but the rewards are significant. With time and positive reinforcement, they can learn to enjoy new experiences and become more confident. By investing in socialization, you're preventing potential behavioral issues and strengthening the bond between you and your dog. A well-socialized dog is not only happier, but also more enjoyable to be around, making your time together more fulfilling and stress-free. Many believe socialization is only for puppies, but it's never too late to teach an old dog new tricks. While puppies have a critical socialization window, adult dogs can still learn and adapt with the right approach. The key is patience, understanding, and positive reinforcement. Start slowly and gradually. Instead of immediately throwing your dog into a bustling dog park, begin with short walks in a quiet neighborhood. Observe their body language for signs of stress, such as yawning or a tucked tail. If your dog shows discomfort, create distance and reward calm behavior. Practical tips for successful socialization. Building a solid foundation. Ready to embark on the socialization journey? Here are some tips to get you started. Dogs read our energy. Approach socialization with a relaxed and positive attitude. Introduce your dog to people and dogs they already know. Avoid overwhelming your dog. Gradually introduce new experiences. Reward your dog with praise, treats, or a favorite toy for calm behavior. Ask friends or family with well-socialized dogs to participate in socialization sessions. Start with parallel walks, gradually decreasing the distance as both dogs remain relaxed. Advanced socialization techniques. Navigating the world with confidence. Socializing your dog is a crucial part of their development, and it goes beyond just the basics. It's about helping them navigate the world with confidence and ease. Once your dog has mastered the basics, incorporate advanced techniques to fine-tune their social skills. This includes exposing them to a variety of environments, sounds, and situations to build their confidence. Recognize signs of stress, such as yawning or a tucked tail. These subtle cues can indicate that your dog is feeling overwhelmed or anxious. Adjust your approach to avoid overwhelming them. This might mean taking a step back, giving them a break, or using calming techniques to help them feel more secure. If your dog reacts fearfully, create distance and redirect their attention with a treat. This helps them associate the situation with something positive rather than fear. Incorporate play into socialization sessions to create positive associations. Playtime can be a powerful tool in helping your dog feel comfortable and happy in new situations. Designate a safe space in your home where your dog can retreat when overwhelmed. This space should be quiet and free from stressors. This could be their crate, a dog bed, or a specific corner of a room. It's important that this area is always accessible to them. Make this space cozy and inviting. Add their favorite blankets, toys, and anything else that makes them feel at home. Never use it for punishment. This space should always be associated with safety and comfort, ensuring your dog feels secure and loved. The journey continues. Ongoing socialization for a lifetime of joy. Socialization isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing journey. Dogs thrive on regular interaction and exposure to new experiences. Here are some ways to keep the socialization momentum going. Provide supervised socialization and playtime in a safe environment. Schedule regular playdates with well-socialized dogs. Enroll your dog in obedience or agility classes for continued socialization and mental stimulation. Gradually introduce your dog to larger public places, observing their comfort level. Reaping the rewards, the gift of a well-socialized dog. By embracing dog socialization, you're enriching your dog's life and strengthening your bond. Imagine this. You're at an outdoor cafe with your well-socialized dog by your side. People stop to admire your furry companion and other dogs stroll by without tension. Your dog greets these encounters with a gentle wag of their tail. This is the gift of socialization, a dog who is a joy to be around. Continue your socialization adventures and celebrate the incredible bond with your canine companion.